Tekin sot mua, mutta... East, southeast, somewhere. Jostain sieltä päin.
Yritän katsoa.
Mä näen sen pelaajan.
Se tuli niinku suoraan mua vasten. Vahre, suoraan mua vasten mä kuulin.
Joo,
Siitä suunnasta mistä mä tuun.
Eastistä. Katot muuhun, niin mennään tonne Eastiin, sieltä se tulee puskia pitkin. Se oli kiljäjä.
Mä yritän just kattele.
Mä näen, se tulee koko ajan lähemmäs.
Vittu kun näkis sen.
Kus pitkä matka siihen on.
Ei oo paskaakaan tässä multakaan. Mä näen sen tuossa puskassa. Se makoilee tosiaan puskan alla.
Onks kuin lähellä se on?
Kato. Ei oo kovin pitkällä tossa. Seuraava puska tästä, kun tossa on toi aukee, niin seuraava puska tossa. Niinku suoraan musta katsottuna Eastiin. Mä heitän granaatin sinne, jos asuu sinne. Katsotaan lentääkö niin pitkällä. Kato mistä granaatti tippuu. Siitä tosta vai eteenpäin? Tosta eteenpäin.
Vahre! Millään kerkee.
Lähti poispäin. Lähti perääntyy.
Vahre!
Joo. Venä, mä vaihdan
Otas tänne missä mä oon.
Joo, mä näen sen kyllä. Venäs.
Ai minkä?
Mä näen sen Heepo. Venä. Osuin sitä.
Osuin siihen. Mäkin osuin siihen ja mikä täällä on. Se pyörii siellä nyt. Puoli.
Kilpaa
Saatiin se.
Missä se ruumis on?
Eli
Sapperi!
Sapperi on.
Pistä toi ensin ryhmään toi Asra, niin tietää missä
Joo,
menee.
tuosta ja tänne ylös.
Ettei ammu suakin vahingossa.
Tiedätkö millä mä osuin sille, ainakin jalat ammuin siltä paskaksi yhdessä kohtaa.
Okei.
Ja sit sen jälkeen mä vaihdoin siihen toiseen aseeseen. Niin,
Pitää luuttaa sen sitten.
Joo, mutta
Juu, sä
tullaan
saat
ensin
siitä
tänne
kaikki.
ylös.
Missä päin
Drownit
syrjää
tulee.
te ootte? Etelässä, pohjoisessa, lännessä?
Militeribasessa.
Militeribas.
Militeribasessa.
Sä oot siinä.
Ai siellä missä on se traderi vai?
Ei, se torni. Siis Syrtän kylässä on se militeribase, se toisessa päässä kylää.
Aha. Eikä tuo mä en oo... Mä oon vielä kilsan päässä, mä en muista sitä ulkoista.
Noin, sut on invattu.
Teillä on drone teidän yläpuolella.
Juu, mä menen tappais.
Onko se mun
Mä juossut koko
yläpuolella?
matkan tuolta.
Mun takana on yksi.
Se on meillä täällä.
Mullakin on yksi täällä mun takana.
Mä näen nyt ainakin noin.
Mä tiputin yhden drone.
Joo, mä kans.
Joo,
Missä
mä
se on
näen
se
teet. Tuu
body?
tänne mun luokse. Täältä
Joo,
saat sen.
Joo, mä
Vittu, täällä on zapperi tulos ylös. Ylös tulee zapperi.
Ei saatana, oikeesti.
Joo, se on portaas jo.
Menee alaspäin, menee alaspäin. Lähti alas. Hyvä, että toi on tapettu. Hyvä, että huomasin tän kiven, meni äkkiä tän kiven taakse piiloon.
Tuus mä siitä alas, mä tuun siitä alas.
Heitin makulle ja sitten istumaan ja kyykkyä sitä kautta.
Mä koitan ampua ton tosta.
Nice.
I'll just loot a bit more and then run up.
Oh!
Kuka ampuu?
Se oli minä, se oli viitsi.
Pissi perse. Vittu saatana.
Mä kattelin tässä oikein sua, että koska sä teet sen.
Katsottiin olis sä hereillä siellä, kun sä olit sen verran paikoilla sieltä.
Bad fucking joke. Fucker.
Mulle tehtiin toi eilen sama, niin mä halusin päästä kostaan, että...
Syyllinen on vaan sun vieressä.
Miten mä sain tän?
Niin todellakin. Sulle mä kostan sieltä, mä ammun selkää jossain tilanteessa.
Jep, mä oon jotain, että ammun tällaisesta reiästä, kato jotain ja keskityn oikein saatana. Ja sit tulee joku perseeseen sieltä.
Mistä mä sain ton sarjatulitilan päälle?
F:stä. Ainakin mulla.
Ei nyt heitä mitään.
Jos tästä spreijäis, niin katsotaanko kuinka paljon menee tonne, osuu tohon taloon, mikä tossa on.
No, anna mennä, niin mä Hei by the way, ne sun kutis kimpoo.
Mä meinasin, että hetkonen, pysäytin just silleen, että
Mä menen tänne taakse, ota uudestaan.
Ai. Oho. Hups.
Suicide. Taas kimpoja.
Ei mene läpi.
Ei me kyllä läpi tosta.
I'm back.
Okei.
Where now on the map? Please tell me fast.
Syrtä.
Yrtä.
Where the fuck is that?
Military base.
Jaha, siellä on
Yrtä.
öllimölli
Läppäri.
tuossa.
Täällä mullu on taas. Mistä täällä se taas sitten on?
Mitäs tuolla nyt? Saatana. Miksi te räiskii taas? Mä haluaisin niinku räiskiä jotain niinku elävää liikkuvaa niinku toista pelaajaa. Kyllä se tiiä.
Pesti.
Kuole.
Saatana 3 konariäijää ja kukaan osu. Se on kyllä.
Hei,
I don't know. Something.
Mennäänkö me jalkaisin tässä sinne vai?
Joo, jätä vaikka tähän ja...
Jätä auto tänne.
Let's take a swim.
Yeah.
I see nothing in the water.
Run.
Yes, there is...
Maybe
last one in the water is pitch.
Okei.
I'm going to drown myself.
Mä oon ekana täällä niin.
Siellä on Lahde joku romu.
Romu.
Hylky.
I'm not a beach.
Niin se pitää sukeltaa.
Joo.
Lahdella on vehkeet.
I don't have any rebreather, but doesn't matter.
Do you have a harpoon? Or what the fuck is that?
It's a boat wreck.
There can be sharks, by the way.
Oh, what the fuck, sharks?
Yeah?
Yep.
Fuck it. I'm going back.
Lahde pidä pää pinnalla kun sä uit sinne.
Miten
Se
se...
sattuu.
Mistä menee ylös?
Muuten sä tukehut.
Mistä se menee ylös? Perkele.
Taat kai ylhäällä. Tai sun pitää vaan kattoo niinku vähän ylhäällä. Deep threat.
Where are you going?
Where is it?
Älä sitten huku.
To your left. Is there a
Left.
shipwreck?
I really can't see at all. Like, it's hard. Oh, there. Yeah, I see.
I saw it when I jumped into the water.
Yeah, like I don't have my goggles anymore, so...
Are you drowning or something?
No, my guy was, like, shouting something just a second ago.
But sometimes you drown even if you're above water.
Nah,
By the way.
can't be. I'm a badass, so...
Rip. Rip Lahde.
Okay, let's see.
Don't drown.
Hope you don't
I don't-
have much gear with you.
No, and I certainly don't have 2,000 cryptos with me, so... No problem. Oh, I see it now!
What
Guys,
is it?
do I look like David Hasselhoff now? I'm coming. Maybe not.
Oh! Yeah, there's like something cool down here. There's a box that you can open. Oh, I'm almost
Okay.
drowning. Oh.
Don't die.
Sä sait ne sieltä kun sä aukasit. Se ottaa...
Nyt mä menen hakemaan ne.
Kohta kuulee Lahde is dead.
Siihen
Open
tuli
it.
evä siihen sun viereen tohon veteen.
Take all. There's like silver,
Come up, bitch.
gold,
Don't drown.
hemp.
taas kaljaa.
Joo.
Kato sitä sun debug-monitoria, ettei se oksigeni mene.
Missä se lukee se?
Ei kun vittu, se on
Yksi.
vaan 1. Niin, elikkä siis, sit kun se on 0, niin sä oot kuollut.
What did you find?
I found gold, drugs, and
Petrol. Yeah, drugs, yes.
and
Yes.
silver and stuff. It was like a
Okay,
box.
nice.
but there's nothing else, I don't think.
Oh, oh.
Oh shit!
Tapper.
Holy fuck.
What?
How did you survive?
He survived.
How the fuck is that
What?
even possible?
Doc, watch out the dock behind you.
Power clear. I see him. He's by the church.
By the church. Roger.
Yep.
Proceed to kill him. Lock the door.
It's,
He's
he's running down to the main road. He's almost by the football field, on the other side of the main road.
Mm,
Those houses.
I
You, blue guy, you see the destroyed building on the other side of the fence?
I can't see shit.
Okay. Oh, they're like to your left, blue guy.
Yeah, to the left.
There's three guys. He's on the main road. He's going on the main road. The white
Okay.
guy. Behind you.
I know.
They can see you. He's at where you were.
Yeah, it's Mate. Oh, fucking
Oh, was you?
yeah. No.
He was in your back. He was exactly in your back.
Yeah.
There are three guys.
yeah, there's 3 guys.
Maddie, watch your... One is over by the... On the other side of the road of the football
The
field.
Yeah.
problem is I had 1,000.
Over the football field. Right?
Yeah.
Somebody is in the stone building where the sapper is running right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
I see a guy in town as well.
Okay. Mate, just keep good. Just take... be careful, the guy ran exactly where you are right now. I think I'm...
I shot him. He's in the building.
Roger, back off. Don't die unnecessarily.
He's fucking low FPS.
Yeah, I see the guys in the...
They're running towards Maddie.
So there is a 3 guys. Then.
There's still one guy in the building.
Shot one of
Yeah,
them.
yeah,
He's
yeah.
not dead.
My location is not good for shooting.
Yeah, but can you see the sapper? You see
Not anymore.
the building with the red roof and blue door?
Yeah, next to the destroyed one.
Yeah, there's a guy... Oh, fuck. I have a sapper next to me somewhere. I gotta move soon.
Maddie's taking shots.
Yeah.
Shit.
A chopper incoming.
One is following you, Maddie. One is following you. He's in the same building as you.
There are 2 here. Fuck, I'm reloading.
Keep calm.
I'm dead.
Fuck.
Fuck.
I
No.
kill one of them. And it's
Yeah.
another in my building. Where I'm dead.
Okay.
The guys are in my building. You still can see my hexagon?
Yeah.
They are all in my building. I hear so many steps. Oh, place a mine. One of them placed a mine.
Okay.
Okay.
Chalk, is my frontal area clear?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna...
I don't want you to die. I don't want to be here alone.
No, I'm gonna take a better position.
If you die, I'm going to kill you.
Okay, Roger. I'll remember that.
Well, I see one guy. He's in one
I'm
of the
still here.
ruins.
I'm still here.
Do you have a compass?
Yep.
100.
Fuck. I forgot. Just tell me. Are you shooting?
Dead.
Nice.
What suit did he have?
Well done.
That was the
What?
ghillie guy.
Okay, it's another
Yeah.
one.
Good.
Yeah,
It's another one.
Plus.
Looking around. He's going down the stairs.
I see him.
He's on the front.
Mä kuulun niin paljon, että mun rahat on
I hit
mennyt.
him.
Nice.
But I'm not sure he's dead.
He's running towards Maddie's building.
Did you see him?
He's at the back of the building. You can't shoot. What the fuck? I hear a sapper. Can they get in this building?
No, they can't.
Good.
Did I kill him?
He's like, he went to the other side of the building. He ran away.
I got him, I think.
No, he's
Sure.
not dead. He's not dead. Like, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fuck! I
good.
shot him like million times.
Yeah, I know the armor is very...
Now
Okay,
I
guys.
think all should be dead.
To, like, a search, take crypto, the same
Yeah,
thing.
found it.
Hey, Lahre, it tells that you got contact somewhere.
Uh,
Fire in the hole. Take cover. Oh, it's a fresh one. Oh no, fuck. That was you.
It's me, it's me, it's
I
me.
didn't see the triangle, the square thingy.
Contact unknown.
What the fuck? The
Yeah,
thing
it's-
didn't blow up. Be
Yeah,
careful.
let it be, let it be.
yeah, we can deal with
No, I'm going to shoot it.
Guys, don't stay too
Hey,
close to the
cover.
building. Don't.
Take cover, fellers. I'm going to
The
survive
building
this.
is going to go down.
Mate, we're rednecks. You can't deal with us. We're you can't. Booyah!
I'm dead.
Jesus.
Sorry.
It was all worth. I love it. I had
Hey.
to sacrifice.
5 out of 5.
Dimitri, I found your leg.
Boom.
Se pää lensi histamiini sua päin.
Niin lensi.
Näitkö se kun se tuli päin?
Joo. Yeah, security's house.
Okei.
Aiot sä Lahre pelata tänään kuinka paljon?
Yeah.
Joo,
Oh
kyllä
shit.
tässä. Just be careful, be careful.
Yes.
Sä pelaat jonkin aikaa.
Joo.
Sitten me voidaan varmaan hakea sitä sementtiä ja rakentaa ne suojavallit tähän.
Guys, don't enter in the house.
Yeah, don't
Nope.
do it. That's the best place for a jammer ever.
Where is that jammer?
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
There is a jammer somewhere. Really?
What happened?
Come here where I am.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
See. Ai.
Where is the jammer?
Inside.
Oh.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Flying
There-
car.
The truck is leaving now.
I see it.
Yeah,
But
come.
we're faster. We can follow it
Yeah.
and drive in front of it.
Histamini, get in.
Get in, you.
Getting or oh sh
No,
Piece
not
of
wasn't
shit.
even close. Just get in. Get your
Yeah.
guns out and we'll do a drive-by.
Go.
Sit
Which way?
at the
Which
edge.
way? Which way?
Up to the town.
What's the town?
Oh, not again.
Get ready. Pistol gangsta style.
I have really bad feeling about it.
I don't know,
I
this
really
is
have
gonna
bad
be great.
FPS.
I can spray the shit out of it.
Yeah. I feel you.
Can you see that truck anymore?
No, I have no idea where it was.
Drive to the other side of the town.
Okay, you have to go
so through here, through
the
here.
city.
Yeah. No. Oh, along
Oh,
the main
here.
road.
Okay,
Just drive through.
drive.
To left,
through-
to left.
Yeah,
sorry.
here and
Straight.
three.
No.
No.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa. Fuck you.
Everybody's telling the directions.
Hey, do something.
Okay, take a right here.
Right? Like hard? This is hard.
No, it's
Just do
it's,
that.
Yeah, baby.
Get down to the main road.
Roger.
And left,
Okay.
left.
Yeah.
Drove something like this direction.
Yeah,
To the right.
yeah, and keep going this road. I think they
Right, through this
went
road.
this
or-
direction.
Yeah.
There, it's there.
Where?
It's forward. Towards us. No, sorry, wrong. That was wrong alarm. I thought thought
I'm
it was.
drifting like crazy on the road. It's...
Yeah, I can't see shit anymore.
I'm desyncing like crazy, and you're crashing into everything.
no, I'm not even close. I'm just so good.
So bad idea.
Yeah.
I see it to the left off-road.
Yeah. Oh shit.
To the left of road, where? Oh yeah, I see it too.
I don't. Oh, I see now. They are gonna
Yeah.
stop and shoot us.
No.
If they
Have
stop,
faith,
we
Soon,
stop.
Matej.
soon they will stop and then we die.
Yeah, Matej, have faith.
Oh fuck.
They're
Good
probably stupid and don't look behind them. Just drive in front of them and I will spray the shit out of them.
Me
Yeah.
too.
When they stop, we are in deep shit.
No, don't
No.
worry. Don't worry.
Okay.
It's all good, baby. Let's do this.
They're not stopping. They're not stopping. What the fuck?
Fuck you, doing.
Motherfuckers, see you in hell.
Now they stop.
I think they see us.
Why is this
They
stop?
stop.
Yeah, of course they stop.
Yeah, drop down.
He's dead. Maddie killed him.
Really?
Nice, Maddie.
I'm wondering where is.
Oh, shots.
Move.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
from the left. Just keep moving.
somebody shooting
I see
somewhere.
him.
Where?
Mate, I'm gonna drive up to this hill.
What the fuck?
Skip, spray there.
I died.
Whoa, they got the truck.
Let me stop the car.
Yeah, wait. Okay, jump.
So the enemy was there. Another enemy.
There's a fresh spawn guy here, Mate, at my hexagon right now.
I killed him.
Kill him with
Yeah.
the car.
Very good.
Oh, he
No
has
one.
a big gun. He has a big fucking gun.
Where?
Up the hill.
Oh shit, I'm taking more shots. Help.
Mate,
I'm dead.
to your left, Mate. Oh, you see him. Oh, you're dead.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Mate, did you get this?
She
guy?
shot me,
Oh,
she shot me.
fuck. Mate, he. Oh, fuck, I saw
I think you
die.
should go.
I'm still in the car, like I.
Killed one of them.
You got
Yeah.
one.
The guy, like, down almost at the truck.
This guy is following you, laughing.
Yeah, I see. Where's the other guy?
He's shooting you.
Was it one on the
Whoa, he
hill?
got me. Like, insta kill. How
Oh,
the
That's
fuck?
another guy.
Yeah.
There is so many enemy in this spawn place.
Think it's any reason just keep on fighting them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you guys are probably just going to die.
Yeah. I know.
Hey, how I find that weapon again? What the fuck? And
Well, that's-
when I take it, I can't get it.
There's 3 guys.
Se on tossa noitten
Oh joo, mä näen se. Vittu,
Joo.
siellä on kuolleita.
Oi vittu, se tulee se kiljäjä tulee kohti, hei. Pakoon!
Onko se kuin lähellä?
No, tulee mäkeä ylös. 50 metriä susta.
Vittu joo.
Mä juoksisin kyllä nyt. Ei meillä oo mitään, toi on ihan turha toivoa elätellä tossa. Että.
No, I'm gonna go to Chuck. I'm gonna go to your body. I'm gonna
I think
flank.
that will be a bit hard. It's like in the middle of everything.
Nah, Chuck, you have to just trust me.
Okay. Hey,
No! Don't shoot me! Let me alone! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! Ah! No! Don't! Let me live! No! No! Fuck you!